What is the substitution property of equality in algebra? Imagine you're solving a puzzle and you find a piece that fits perfectly in multiple spots. That's kind of what the substitution property of equality is all about. It helps us replace parts of an equation with other parts that are equal, making solving easier. In algebra, when we say two things are equal, like x equals y, it means they are the same value. The substitution property says that if x equals y, then you can swap x with y anywhere in an equation or expression without changing its truth. For example, if you know that x is 3 and you see x, in an expression you can replace x with 3. Let's say you have the expression x plus 5. If you know x equals 2, then you can replace x with 2. So it becomes 2 plus 5, which equals 7. This makes calculations much simpler because you're working with numbers you already know. The substitution property works both ways. If a equals b, then you can replace a with b or b with a in any equation or expression. This flexibility helps us solve problems faster and more accurately. In algebra, this property is part of a group called the properties of equality. Others include the reflexive property, which says anything equals itself, the symmetric property, which states if a equals b, then b equals a, and the transitive property, which says if a equals b and b equals c, then a equals c. Using the substitution property makes solving equations easier because it allows us to replace variables with their known values or equivalent expressions. This helps us understand how different parts of an equation relate to each other and makes solving algebraic problems more straightforward. So remember, anytime you know two things are equal, you can swap them out in an equation or expression. It's a simple rule that keeps everything balanced and makes solving algebra problems much more manageable.